Right? Write the topic first. Binomial expression. Right? Binomial expression. Right? So in your textbook, as this is a fourth lesson, right? So after that, we'll do the fraction. Hurry. Ever binomial expression, right? Algebraic symbol, right? Algebraic terms. See, x is called algebraic symbol, right? Algebraic symbol. So this is algebraic term, right? So 2x algebraic term, right? 5y algebraic term. Okay, then algebraic term added number 2x added number. Now this one called algebraic expression, right? This is algebraic expression, like that. 5y subtract number, algebraic expression. Okay, this is also algebraic expression. This is also algebraic expression, right? So added or subtract term, then it become algebraic expression, right? Now this algebraic expression has 2x and 3, two terms. 2x is a term, 3 is a term, right? This expression 5y is a term, 2 is a term, two terms. So two term expression we call binomial expression. Okay, this expression has two terms. This one has two terms. So these are binomial expression, right? So algebraic expression has two terms, that is called algebraic binomial expression, right? So in this lesson you are going to learn how to multiply this type of binomial expression by a binomial expression, right? මේ වගේ binomial expression එක තවත් මේ වගේම binomial expression එකකින් multiply කරන දේවල් තමයි මේකේ කරන්න යන්නේ. හරිද? So in grade 9 you also did some part of this lesson, right? මේකේ එක part එකක් ඔයාලා grade 9 වල කෙරුවා නේ. හරි. So shall we write this one? Write these two expressions, right? එතක ලියගමු. 2x plus 3, 5y minus 2. Right? Right, now write. Above two expression has, above two expression has two terms. Two terms. Two terms. First up, that type of expression is called, that type of expression is called binomial expression. Binomial expression, right? Binomial expression. හරි. එතකොට බලන්න, binomial expression means expression has two terms, right? So that is called binomial expression. Right. Now, first I'm going to multiply term by a term. මේ බලන්න. 4 is a term, that is non-term. I want to multiply by 3x. Okay, this 4 term should multiply by 3x. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ 4 කියන එක කෙනා multiply වෙන්නේ මේ 3x වල කාගෙන්ද? number 3. Okay, 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. So x, here no term to multiply, that is x. Then 4 multiplied by 3x, that is 12x. Right? Then take another one. 2y want to multiply by 5x. See, this is the term, this is another term. Then here multiplication, here also multiplication. Right? Then 2y multiplied by 5x means 2 should multiply by 5. Number should multiply. 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. Then symbol y multiplied by x, you can write yx or xy. Both are same. Okay. See another one. Minus 4x multiplied by 2y. Right? Now see, number multiply. 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. X multiplied by y, we write as xy. Then sign. This one negative, this one positive. Negative into positive, that is also negative. Right? See another one I will do. Minus 3x want to multiply by minus 2x. Minus 3x multiply by minus 2x. Number multiply. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. X multiplied by x. Right? X multiplied by x, we write as x square. X to the power 2. Right? Then sign. Negative multiplied by negative, that is positive. Right? Understood? So those things you need when you multiply the algebraic expression by a algebraic expression. Right? Algebraic expression එකක් algebraic expression එකකින් multiply කරද්දි මේ වගේ ඒවා ඕන වෙනවා. හරිද? Right. එහෙනම් ඔක කොහොම තිබිච්චාද නේ? අපි හදමු this one. Right? Simple a. Okay? Simple a. 5 multiplied by 2x, that is 10x. Right? Simple b. 6 multiplied by negative 3y, then negative 18y. 6 into 3, 18. Okay? Negative, positive, negative. See, negative 5 multiplied by 3p. 5 multiplied by 3, 15p. Negative into positive, negative. Okay? Then simple d. 2x multiplied by 3y. 2 into 3, 6. X multiplied by y, we write as xy. Right? Then e. Right? 8x multiplied by 3x. 8 multiplied by 3, 24. X into x, x square. Right? That is positive. Then f. Right? Negative 2x multiplied by negative 7y. That is 2 into 7, 14. X into y, xy. Right? Then negative, negative, positive. Right? Positive 14xy. Right? Then F 10G 12A multiplied by 5A, right? 12 multiplied by 5, that is 60, but negative A multiplied by A to the power 2, A square, right? Then last one H, 10R multiplied by S, right? 10R multiplied by S, 10RS, okay, right? Roman number 1, question number 3. Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I think you can now. Question number 3. Okay. Roman number 1. X multiplied by x plus 2. See, I write first one. Roman number 1. X multiplied by x plus 2. That means by the x multiply x. Then you get x multiplied by x to the power 2, x square, right? Remember, x multiplied by x square, right? Not 2x. Then x multiplied by 2, right? X multiplied by 2, that is 2x. Sign is positive. This one positive, this one positive. So expression is x square plus 2x, right? Roman number 2, x multiplied by x plus 5. See, Roman number 2, x multiplied by x plus 5. X multiplied by x square, plus x multiplied by 5, we write as 5x, right? Roman number 3, x multiplied by x minus 4. Now, x multiplied by x is x to the power 2, x square. X multiplied by 4 is 4x. X is positive, 4 is negative, positive, negative, negative 4x. Sign is important. Roman number 4. 2x multiplied by, see, 2x multiplied by x minus 2. Now, by the 2x multiply x. 2 multiplied by 1 here. Here is 1, right? 2 into 1, 2. X multiplied by x square, right? Then by 2x multiply the 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. X multiply, here no number, x. What is the sign? 2x positive, 2 negative, negative 4x. Then plus 5, plus 5 name mangi. Roman number 5, 3x multiplied by 3 plus x. Multiply 3x multiplied by 3. 3 into 3, 9. X multiply here, no, x. Then 3x multiplied by x. 3 into 1 here, 3. X multiplied by x, that is x square, both positive. What is it? Small topic. Product of two binomial expression. Product of two binomial expressions, right? Binomial expression dekha product එක, right? So in grade 9 we did one part, right? මේක එක part එකක් කෙරුවා. හරි, මේ බලන්න මම එකක් ලියනවා. මේ බලමු. x plus 3, right? This is a binomial expression. X is a term, 3 is a term, 2 terms. So I use the bracket. This one I am going to multiply by another expression, x plus 4. X 4, 2 terms. This is also binomial expression. Here is the product. හරිද? මේ තියෙන්නේ binomial expression එක. මේ තියෙන්නේ binomial expression එක. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ multiplication. හරිද? එතකොට මේ binomial expression එක මේ binomial expression එකකින් multiply කරන්න යන්න. right. එතකොට මතක ඇති මෙහෙම කියන්නේ. කොහමද? This first binomial expression has x. First term is x. This first binomial has second term 3. Take the sign positive 3. Positive 3. Understood? මේ පළවෙනි binomial එකේ තියෙනවා x. පළවෙනි binomial එකේ තියෙනවා 3. term positive 3. එතකොට මේ first term එකෙන් multiply කරන්නේ second bracket එක. කවුද? x plus 4. Alright, here right, bracket means multiplication, x plus 4. Right? Then by the second term, multiply the same bracket. මේ තියෙන positive 3 වලින් multiply කරන්නෙත් කවුද? x plus 4. හරිද? ඒක දෙක මාරු කරන්න යන්න එපා. first term එකෙන් multiply කරන්නෙත් මේ bracket එකමයි. මේකේ second term එකෙන් multiply කරන්නෙත් මේ bracket එකමයි. හරිද? දැන් මේ පොඩි bracket දෙක simplify කරනවා. remove the bracket. එතන බලන්න කොහොමද වෙන්නේ? කලින් එකේ හැදුවා. x වලින් x and 4. එතකොට x multiplied by x, that is x to the power 2. x multiplied by 4, positive 4x. Right? Then go to this bracket. By 3, multiply the x and 4. Right? 3 වලින් මේ දෙන්න multiply කරනවා. එතකොට 3 into x, 3x. Sign එක ලියන්නත් ඕන. කවුද sign එක? 3 positive, x positive. Positive into positive, answer positive. Right? Then by 3, multiply the 4. 3 into 4, 12. 3 positive, 4 positive, positive into positive, answer positive. හරිද? දැන් පුළුවන් මේ තියෙන term හතරක් තියෙනවා. 4 terms. x square one term, 4x is another term, 3x is another term, 12 is another term. You can simplify. බලන්න. x square. x square. මේක කොහේ හරි තියනවාද x square term? නැහැ. එහෙනම් x square term එච්චරයි. කවුද? x square. Here x term. Right? මෙතන තියෙනවා x term හතරක්. Here 3x term. So these 4x and 3x like terms. අන්නේ දෙන්නව simplify කරලා x term ලිව්වේ. එතකොට බලන්නේ මොනවද අපි? මේ දෙන්නාගේ sign එක. 4x positive. 3x positive. Same sign. Same sign mean add. Okay, then 4x plus 3x, that is 7x, both positive, right? Then here only number, that is 12. Understood? When you multiply two binomial expression, you get this type of expression, right? Sometimes 1, 2, 3 terms expression, or sometimes 4 terms. Your lesson has this type of binomial. See, 2x plus 3 binomial expression, right? That one want to multiply by 5x plus 4, right? So this is another binomial expression. 2 terms. This is also 2 terms, right? Now first one. First bracket has 2x, right? First bracket positive 3. Positive 3. මේ first bracket එකේ තියෙන first term එකෙනුයි second term එකකිනුයි තමයි මේ bracket එක multiply කරන්නේ. එතකොට 2x වලින් multiply වෙන්නේත් මෙයා. කවුද? 5x plus 4. right? 3 වලින් multiply වෙන්නේත් මෙයාමයි. කවුද? 5x plus 4. right? Then you can remove this bracket and remove this bracket. right? Now multiply. 2x multiplied by 5x. That is 2 into 5, 10. X into x. X to the power 2. Right? Then by 2x multiply the 4. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. X multiplied here no. X both positive. What is that? Then this bracket. By 3. 3 multiplied by 5x. 3 into 5. 15x. Positive. 3 multiplied by 4. That is 12. Positive. Hari? තේරුණානේ? ඊට පස්සේ බලනවා x square term. මෙතන x square term තියෙනවා මෙහෙ කොහෙවත් නැහැ. එහෙනම් ලියනවා කවුද? 10x square. right? Here 8x, here 15x. x term නේ? ඒවා x term. එතකොට 8 15 positive positive same sign. add 15 plus 8 23x both positive. Then only number that is 12. Hariද? That is 12. Understood? Roman number 1, Roman number 2. This type of rectangle. Okay? Equation number 6. They have given length of the rectangle. Wait, what is length? 3x plus 5 meter length. And breadth is given 2x minus 3. This is breadth 2x minus 3. They ask the area. Right? So, in a rectangle, we know how to write the area. Right? How to write the area of rectangle? Length should multiply by the breadth. Right? So, we can write area of rectangle is length should multiply by the breadth. Now length is binomial expression. Length is a binomial expression. So you can write 3x plus 5 length multiply by breadth. That is also binomial expression. So breadth 2x minus 3. Now what is get? Binomial product. So take the product of two binomial expression. Right? So as early we should multiply. නේ අපි අර කලින් multiply කරුවා වගේ මේ දෙන්නා multiply කරන්න වෙනවා step keep එකකින්. Right? Then finally you get the expression in terms of x. Right? So what is the final expression? Who can tell?
6x to the power 2 plus 1x minus 15 square meters.
6x square. Right? 6x square. Okay? Plus x minus 15. Correct? 6x square plus x minus 15 is the area. Right? So normally we write this is meter. So we can put the bracket and can write the unit meter square. නේ bracket එක දැම්මම මෙතන terms තුනක් තියෙන හින්දා නේ meter square. තේරුණාද? හදන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේ මේක. දැන් අපි ගොඩක් හැදුවනේ මේ වගේ ඒවා නේ. terms ටික බලලා ලියන්න. හරි? right. ඊගාවට යන්නේ right? Right? Square එක අරගන්න. Right? Square of a binomial. So please write a small topic. Square of a binomial expression. Square of a binomial expression. Square. Right. මේ බලන්න. Binomial expression. My first binomial expression is x plus 2. Right? X plus 2. X 2. Two terms. I take the square. Square of the binomial. X plus 2 square. Right? Now, what is the meaning of x plus 2 square? See, in a number, 5 square mean 5 into 5. Right? This number multiply 2 times. Okay? X plus 2 square mean x plus 2 should multiply by x plus 2. Further, x plus 2 square mean x plus 2 should multiply by x plus 2. This is binomial. This is binomial. Here product. Now you know how to write the product of binomial. Ne? Make a multiply කරලා ලියන්න දන්නවනේ. හරි. ලියමු බලන්න එන. Take the product and write. Then I will give another one. X plus 3 square. X plus 4 square. Okay, right? Hurry up. X plus 5 square. Hurry up and write. This one. X plus 2 square mean if you expand and take the addition, all thing, you get x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, last answer. Then x plus 3 square, you get x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, x plus 4 square, x square plus 8x plus 16. X plus 5 square, x square plus 10x plus 25. Correct? හරි. දැන් මම මේ පාඩම් කරලා නෙමෙයි ලිව්වේ, right? ඔයාලටත් මේ වගේ ස්ක්වයර් එකක් එකපාරින් expand කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. right? ඔයාලත් මේ ලිව්වා වගේ එකපාරින් ලියන්න ඕන. ඒක ලියන්නේ මෙහෙමයි. මේ බලන්න x plus 2 square නේ first term x. මෙතන ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ කවුද? x square. මෙන්න මේ first term එකේ square එක. මේ x square. x square. x square. එහෙනම් මෙතන x තිබ්බනම් මේකේ expansion එකේ ඉන්නේ කවුද? x square. හරිද? දැන් බලනවා මේ last term. මේ බලන්න last term. මෙතන තියෙන second term එක 2. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 4. මෙතන second term එක 3. මෙතන second term එක third last term එක 9. ඒ මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ second term එකේ square එක. මේ second term එකේ square එක. කවුද? 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. ඒ දෙය පැහැදිලිනේ? first term එක කොහමද ආවේ? මෙතන තියෙන first term එකේ square එකකින්. last term එක කොහමද ආවේ? මෙතන තියෙන second term එකේ square එකකින්. දැන් ගැටලුව මේ මැද්දේ තියෙන එක්කෙනා කොහමද ආවේ කියලා. මේ මැද්දේ තියෙන එක්කෙනා කොහමද ආවේ? මෙහෙම. නේ? මෙයා බලමු ඉස්සෙල්ලාම last one. x and 5. x and 5 two terms. x කියන එක්කෙනයි 5 කියන එක්කෙනයි තමයි term දෙක. මේ term දෙක multiply කරනවා. මේ term දෙක multiply. X multiply by 5 5x. That multiply by 2. මෙතන ඕන එකක් තිබුණාම කරන්නේ මොකද්ද? මේ term දෙක multiply කරුවා. එයාව 2 වලින් multiply කරා. x into 5 5x multiply by 2 10x. Okay? Here x and 4 multiply 4x multiply by 2 8x. X and 3 multiply 3x multiply by 2 6x. X and 2 2x multiply by 2 4x. Understood? Understood? Shall we write one? See, x plus 8 square. Now how to write? First term x. එන හම්බෙන්නේ කවුද? x square. Right. ඊළඟට හම්බෙන්නේ කවුද? Take the product. මේ දෙන multiply කරනවා. x into 8 8x multiply by 2 16x. Last term second term 8 8 square 8 square 8 into 8 64. Understood? හරිද? First term a square, right? මැද හම්බෙන්නේ කොහමද? Take the product. මේ term දෙක multiply කරනවා. a into b ab multiply by 2 2. මේ දෙන්න multiply කරපුවාමත් positive. Okay? මේ දෙන්න multiply කරා ab multiply by 2. ඕන එකක් multiply කරන 2 වලින්. අන්තිමට හම්බෙන්නේ කවුද? Second term b square. Right? These are the three terms. ඕන එකක් කියන්නේ ඔන්න ඔය terms තුනට. Right? එහෙනම් ඕන මාක් කරලා තිබ්බ එක මතකෙ ඉන්න කොහමද? මේ කවුද? Square of first term. මේ first term square. මේ කවුද? Square of second term. Right? මැද්දේ කවුද? 2 times of 2 times of product of 2 terms. Right? 2 times of product of 2 terms. මේ term දෙක multiply කරා 2 වලින් multiply කරා. Right? හරි. See, this is how to write. මේ first term x, first term square. Okay? Then product of 2 term. මේ දෙන්න multiply කරනවා. මේ දෙන්න multiply කරද්දි මේ දෙන්නගේ sign එකත් එක්ක multiply කරන්න. x positive 3 negative. එතන multiply වුණාම එන්නේ 3x. හැබැයි negative. එහෙනම් 3x negative 3x. Negative 3x, right? මේ දෙන්න multiply කරපුවාම එන්නේ negative 3x. That multiply by 2. That means negative 6x. මේ දෙන්න multiply කරා 2 වලින් multiply කරා. Last term, what is second term? Negative 3. See? Second term, negative 3. දන්නේ මොකද්ද? Square. Negative 3 square, negative 3 into negative 3. That is 3 into 3 9, negative negative positive. Sign එක තිබේ දෙනවා. තේරුණාද කියන එක? right. මේ බලන්න හරිද කියලා? එහෙනම් first term x කියන්නේ කොහොමද? first term square x square product x into 5 5x but negative multiply by 2 that is negative 10x. Second term negative 5 square that is positive 25. Right? Okay. You can write negative positive both. Alright. Now we go to the somewhat big one. See, 2x plus 3 square. See, binomial square. square of a binomial. Right. Want to write the product in one step. Right. Right. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ලියන්නේ කවුද? first term square. එහෙනම් first term එක 2x. මේ බලන්න. first term 2x. කවුද ගන්න ඕන මේකේ? square. 2x square කියන්නේ කවුද? 2x into 2x. That means 2 into 2 4, x into x square. Right? Understood? This is the first term. First term is square. Then second term, product of two term. මේ term දෙක multiply කරනවා. එතකොට කවුද? 2x into 3, 6x. Positive. Multiply by 2. That is 12x. Last term, second term is square. Positive 3 square, positive 9. හරිද? මේක වැරදුන් නැත්නම් හරියා. ගැටලුවක් තිබේද? Okay. Shall we write this one? 3x minus 1 square. Okay. 3x minus 1 square. හරි. මේ බලන්න හරිද කියලා? දැන් මේ ෆස්ට් එක වරද්දන්නේ නැහැ. කවුද? ෆස්ට් ටර්ම් එක 3x. එහෙනම් ලියන්නේ කවුද? ෆස්ට් ටර්ම් එකේ ස්ක්වයර් එක. 3x ල ස්ක්වයර් එක කවුද? 9x ස්ක්වයර්. මේ දෙන්න මල්ටිප්ලයි කරපුවාම එන සයින් එක මෙයා පොසිටිව් මෙයා නෙගටිව්. එතකොට නෙගටිව්. නේ? 3x 1 වලින් මල්ටිප්ලයි කරොත් 3x. එයා 2 වලින් මල්ටිප්ලයි වෙන්න ඕන. එතකොට කවුද? 6x. හරි? Then this one minus 1 square minus 1 square minus 1 into minus 1 positive 1 9x square minus 6x plus 1 right. තව එකම එකක් ලියනවා. This one minus 2x minus 3 square. හරි. හරිද? හරි. බලන්න මේ. දැන් ඉස්සෙල්ලාම තියෙන first term එක තමයි negative 2x. එහෙනම් අපිට හම්බෙන්නේ කොහොමද ඉස්සෙල්ලාම first term එක negative 2x. first term එකේ square එක. ඒ කියන්නේ negative 2x වල square එක. ඒක හම්බෙන්නේ කොහමද? negative 2x multiply by negative 2x. negative 2x වලින් multiply වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒ තමයි first term එකේ square එක. එතකොට negative negative positive 2 into 2 4 x into x x square. හරිද? ඒක තේරෙනවනේ? ඊළඟට වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? මේ term දෙක multiply වෙන්න ඕන. කවුද? 2x multiply වෙන්න ඕන 3 වලින්. එතකොට කවුද? 2x into 3 6x. sin එක 2x negative 3 negative. එතකොට මේ දෙන්න multiply වුණාම negative negative positive. sorry. මේ දෙන්නගේ product එක I 2 වලින් multiply වෙන්න ඕන. 6x multiply by 2 positive 12x. last term negative 3 square නේ negative 3 වල square එක negative 3 square negative 3 into negative 3 positive 9 නේ දැන් බලන්න මෙතන තියෙන term negative වුණාට මෙහෙ එකක්වත් negative වෙලා නැහැ තේරෙනවද කියන එක එතකොට ආය අමුතුවෙන් sin හදන්න ඕනේ නැහැ මේ වයින් sin ඉබේම ලැබෙනවා හරිද හරිද any question කාට හරි ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා නම් කියන්න no question right එතකොට දැන් මම දෙන්න ටියුට් එකේ question number 7 වල තියෙනවා ඔය වගේ expand the following right so many things fractions type is also there right so you should try that one then number 8 is join the corresponding expression in column A and column B. The column A is square of binomial. Column B is that expansion. You can join those one, right? ඒවා ඔයාලා හදන්නට ඕන. හරිද? Then question number what is 9? Next page. See. Write down the term suitable for the blank. එතන බලන්න. Square of binomial is given, then expansion is given. Right? Sometimes middle term is not there. නේ? දැන් ඔයාලා දන්නවා ඔය මොකද්ද? Verify. Right? See? Verify. Right? So, first one is given this one. X plus y square they have expand. What is expansion? First term is square, x square, product of two term, xy multiplied by 2. Then second term y square. Okay, this is the expansion. Now they tell when x is 2, y is 3, verify. එතකොට අපි කරන්නේ equal sign එකෙන් ගන්නවා left hand side එක ආයේ right hand side එක අරගෙන ඔය x value දානවා. අපි බලන්න. I take the left hand side. Left hand side. කවුද තියෙන්නේ? x plus y square. What are my values? X is 2, y is 3. Right? මෙතෙන්ට x වලට 2 දැම්මා, y වලට 3 දැම්මා. එතකොට හම්බෙන්නේ 2 plus 3 square. ඒ කියන්නේ කවුද? 2 plus 3 5 square. That is 25. So left hand side value is 25. Now take the right hand side. Right hand side. Right hand side x square plus 2xy plus y square. These are the right hand side. Now put the value. X square. X is 2. 2 square plus මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 2 times x. X is 2. Y is 3 plus y square 3 square. Nahin? Easy one. 2 square 2 into 2 4 plus multiply 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, plus 3 square 9, 4 plus 9 12, 16, 16 plus 5 25. Left hand side 25, right hand side 25. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is how to verify. Find the value of 102 square. Right? Then make a නිකන් හොයන්න පුළුවන්. කොහමද? 102 multiplied by 102. Okay? Then you get the value. හැබැයි ඒගොල්ලෝ කියන්නේ එහෙම නෙමෙයි. කොහමද? Using the expansion of a plus b square or a minus b square. දෙකෙන් එකකින්. ඒ කියන්නේ binomial එක square එකකින් මේක හොයන්න ඕන. Right? මේ method එකෙන් නෙමෙයි. මෙහෙම හෙව්වොත් ඔයාලට විභාගෙට දීලා එතකොට ලකුණු 10ක් හම්බ වෙනවා නම් ඕකට එක ලකුණක් දෙනවා. Right? දැන් හොයන්න යන්නේ කොහමද? Using the binomial expression. එහෙනම් මෙයාව ලියනවා binomial එකකින්. කොහමද? Binomial expression. What is the binomial? Binomial is this one. 102. 102 I'll write this way. 100 plus 2. Okay? 100 plus 2 is 102 square. Binomial. This is like A, this is like B. Now I put the expansion. Then make it the expansion. What expansion square? First term square. First term क्या है 100. है ना 100 square. अरे यार इलाके रहने का उधर में देना multiply करना है. एक याने 100 into 2. में देना multiply होना. That multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. Sign is product positive. Okay. Then last term, second term square. Second term is 2. I thought how many cow there? 2 square. Eka therno aneda. First term 100. 100 square. Ilangata enne denna multiply una 100 into 2 multiply by 2. Last term second term square. Then me wala values tika gannawa. Kohomada enne? 100 square kiyanne kawuda? 100 into 100. Easy one. 100 into 100. Make a multiply, you know. 2 into 100, 200 into 2, 400 plus 2 square, that is 4. Right? Understood? Right? Now you have to add 10,000 plus 400 plus 4. Then you get method 24, method 40401. This is the 102 square.